Let's talk about estates, inheritance, and how that can affect your taxes. Estates encompass everything a person owns at death. It is important to understand what being in charge of an estate entails. Being in charge means being able to manage, organize, value, and distribute assets according to the deceased's wishes or state laws. Federal estate tax filing is required for estates exceeding $12.92 million for single individuals or $25.84 million for married couples. Anything under this is exempt. It's important to know estate tax needs to be paid before the remaining assets are distributed to heirs. Basically, Uncle Sam gets his piece of the pie first. Now, if the person in question was a workaholic like me, well then a final tax return must be filed for the deceased, covering income up to the date of death. It's important to know if you receive assets from an estate, sometimes it can come with tax implications. For example, inherited property receives a step up in basis. Lost you, huh? It's okay, I'll explain. Basically, this means if you inherit property, it will be valued at its fair market value when given to you. Here is an example. Say your grandparents bought their home for $120,000, but when it was given to you, it was worth $500,000. This means value at the time of inheritance is, you guessed it, $500,000. Get it? Now, capital gains on inherited properties are calculated based on this step-up basis. Don't lose me, it's literally what I just explained. Quick recap, capital gains tax is calculated based off what the property is worth when you get it. Primary residences may qualify for a capital gains exclusion if certain conditions are met. Also, inherited assets are always treated as long-term holdings for capital gains purposes. This means if you do have to pay, it's a lot less. Now pay attention, if you're an investor, this is for you. If you file a 1031 exchange, this will allow you to defer capital gains tax when swapping investment properties. Also, donating inherited property to charity may provide tax deductions and avoid capital gains tax. Understanding estate and inheritance taxes is crucial for effective legacy planning. For personalized advice on estate planning, consult with services by Valeria. We can help you sort it out.